Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, Golden by Heaven. It's Paulette here. Today's video is talking about the American Express Delta Skymiles Gold card. So if you fly Delta occasionally or plan on flying Delta in the future, you might want to stick around to the end. This is one of 4 co-branded cards from American Express with Delta. There's also the blue. Obviously the gold, that's the second level up. And then there's 2 after the platinum and the reserve, which I will overview in later videos. All right, so first, this card comes with a $99 annual fee that is waived on the first year, and then upon renewal, $99 after, which is pretty standard across all lower tier airline credit cards. Now, when I say lower tiered card, I'm not saying it is a bad card at all. It just has a fewer benefits than something like the Delta Skymiles Platinum card that has a $250 annual fee, which I would consider the mid-tier card, or the Delta Skymiles, which comes with a $450 annual fee, and which I consider a top-tier card. Now be careful with this. Some of you guys might be thinking, hey, all right, I'm gonna apply to get approved to go to the first year, and then before that annual fee is due, year 2, I'm gonna cancel so I don't pay it. Yeah, no, don't do that, because American Express will claw back those miles and that you could potentially get your account shut down. So don't do that. Just pay the second year annual fee of $99 to be safe. Now, let's take a look at the sign-up bonus for the Delta Skymiles Gold card. Typically, this card has a sign-up bonus of 50,000 miles after spending $2,000 on the card in the first 3 months of account opening. However, at the time of recording this video, the card had a sign-up offer of 40,000, which is okay. So make sure you plan accordingly. I value Delta miles at 1.2 cents per point. So if you're somebody watching this in the future and sign up for the card, while it has 50,000 miles sign-up offer, your 50,000 miles will be valued at 600. I've used Delta miles to travel to places like Las Vegas, Houston, and San Antonio, Texas. So if you're planning a trip, these bonuses can come in handy. Next, let's talk about the multipliers on this card. You're going to earn 2 times miles back on Delta purchases. So things like airline tickets, in-flight purchases, and extra bags. The same 2 times miles back on restaurants, but also included on the gold card is 2 times miles back on all U.S. grocery stores. And lastly, 1 mile per dollar spent on everything else. That's pretty good. That's better than the blue card, which again makes sense, but it's still not that powerful. Now, if you're interested in this card and you want to support the channel, a good way to do so is to apply using the link in the description box below. Once you're on the site, Just select view all cards and find a card that you're interested in. Now I think there should be a 3-time category on an annual fee card in my opinion. But here's kind of where American Express makes up for that. Now let's talk about the benefits of paying the annual fee for this gold card. You and up to 8 companions get your first check bag free. That's pretty great because generally when you check a bag, that's about $30 each way. So if you're somebody who pays $99 per year in baggage fees, that alone can justify you paying the $99 annual fees. If not, maybe you can get some value from some of these other benefits. Next, you're going to get 20% back in the form of a statement credit when you use your card for Delta purchases such as in-flight meals or drinks. This card also comes with no foreign transaction fees, which make it great for international travel. If you don't know what foreign transaction fees are, it's a fee that banks charge for processing overseas transactions. These fees typically range from 1 to 3% on a particular transaction. Now, I used to work selling foreign money, so there was a charge for foreign money when you purchased it to go on your trip, and when you brought it back, there was also a fee. And I worked for this company in the airport. So we didn't sell a lot of foreign money, but for those who did need it for certain countries they were going to, then I mean, it came in handy. So now, you know, you can either get it from your bank, but if this card is offering no fee, that's really good. So just to let you know how I got this card. I got this card, I'm signed on with my daughter. She got approved for the American Express card. So this is a way for her to get her foot through the door. So I'm glad to be on her card. It has a lot of good perks. I've never owned an American Express, so I always say you haven't made it till you done got an American Express. So if I had to get it through her, then hopefully I'll be able to get my own one day. Now she has, I mean, her credit score is like in the 700s, and I'm almost there, not quite. So, you know, I'm still working on my credit. So I'm gonna show this Apple card, and this is my card, and my daughter didn't have an Apple card, so I added her on my account, and I wanna say in maybe 2 months, she was able to get her own Apple card. I know this is an American Express video, but this is important. So she was able to get her own Apple card within like 2 months. And they gave her like 3 times the amount that I have for credit on my card. So she has her own card now. So, I mean, I guess that helped her. And I mean, listen to how the Apple card sounds great. But, so now that she has the American Express, then I want it to be added on to her card. So hopefully we can get more, but if that's what you have to do to get on someone else's card to build your credit or get your credit up higher, then do what works for you. Okay, next, for you big spenders, you'll get $100 Delta flight credit after you spend $10,000 in eligible purchases in a calendar year. Now, me personally, I wouldn't be putting $10,000 on this card unless this is your only card. Then, yeah, fine, that makes sense. But I would use that $10,000 hitting the minimum spending requirement on another card for another sign-up bonus. But hey, that's just me. A benefit that is unique to the Gold card, you're going to get main cabin 1 priority boarding, which is a nice little feature. That means you're going to board the plane a bit earlier, store your carry-on bag, and settle in sooner. Also, this card comes with the following insurances: bag insurance, car rental loss and damage insurance, purchase protection, fraud protection, and extended warranty. Now let's talk about redeeming your miles. Obviously, you can redeem them for airline tickets, seat upgrades, gift cards, Delta vacation packages, Delta experiences, Delta offers, and you can also transfer or donate your miles. But usually, you're going to get the most value out of your miles by redeeming them for one of those Delta sweet spots. I need to know what's the best redemption you got using Delta miles, or if you got that big bonus where you would travel to. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you hear the ambulance, I'm sorry, it's just, something that happened, and I know you hear it in the video. But I'm currently searching for my next vacation destination. Now, as great as these benefits are and these multipliers are with this card, I think you should know you're paying a $99 annual fee and you don't get Sky Club access at all. The only way you're gonna get Delta Sky Club Lounge access is with the Platinum or Reserve card. That's my one little nitpick. So who do I think this card is good for? I think this card is good for anybody who flies Delta a few times a year and would like to save money on baggage fees, and or would like to take a vacation with that nice sign-up bonus. Other than that, the Gold card is not bad at all. If you're not getting any value from this card after the first year, you can always downgrade it to the no annual fee version, which is the Delta Skymiles Blue card. That way you don't lose any of your points. Well, that's all I have for you today. Like I say, if you're interested in getting one of our 4 co-branded American Express Delta cards, I do have the referral link down in the description of this video. You can get the Blue, the Gold, the Platinum, or the Reserve with that link. And hopefully your welcome offer will be a little bit enhanced by using that as well. Also, don't forget to check the description for some other referral links to some other American Express and Chase cards. Hey, make sure you like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. I am looking for 1,000 subscribers. When I get my first 1,000 subscribers, I am doing a giveaway, and that giveaway will consist of either cash, gift card, something from our Etsy shop, Tumblr, a binder, a budget binder. If that's interesting to you, then hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a single penny. And all right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. It does mean a lot to me. And with that being said, till next time, laissez les bon temps rouler. Bye.